Today I'll show you how to add headers and footers to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you are using the latest version, because newer versions of Acrobat may show editing tools inside the All Tools panel. Now open the PDF file where you want to add a header or footer. A header appears at the top of the page. A footer appears at the bottom of the page. You can use them for page numbers, document titles, dates, file names, company names, or copyright text. Once your PDF is open, go to All Tools. Choose Edit, a PDF. Now look for Header and Footer. Click Header and Footer, then choose Add. A settings window will open. Here, you can type the text you want to appear in the header or footer. You will usually see different boxes for left, center, and right positions. For example, you can place your company name on the left, the document title in the center, and the date on the right. If you want to add page numbers, click Insert Page Number. If you want to add the date, click Insert Date. You can also choose the font size, color, and margins. Use the preview area to check how the header or footer will look on the page. If the text is too close to the document content, increase the margin. If the text looks too large, reduce the font size. You can also choose which pages should include the header or footer. For example, you can apply it to all pages, only selected pages, or a specific page range. This is helpful if you do not want the header or footer on the cover page. After setting everything, click OK. Now review the PDF pages carefully. Make sure the header or footer appears in the correct place and does not cover important content. If you need to change it, go back to Header and Footer and choose Update. If you want to remove it, choose Remove. When everything looks correct, click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original PDF unchanged, choose Save As and create a new copy. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, go to Edit a PDF, choose Header and Footer, add your text, page numbers, or date, adjust the style, preview it, and save the file. And that's how you add headers and footers to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.